Hello friends, welcome to our channel Excel to Excellence. In this video, we will provide you know-how on VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is an Excel function to retrieve the specific output from a data tables where data remain arranged under the various head. This is very useful tool in field of accounts, finance and data analysis. We have taken sample data from the database of a general stores. In this table number 1, items, the data is arranged under the various head like item, quantity, rate and amounts. Now with the help of VLOOKUP, we can retrieve any kind of informations related with any items. So let's say we want to have informations regarding the towels tow towels. So the available information in this table is quantity and rate. Quantity and rate. So first we will write here formula of VLOOKUP with the help of is equal to sign. Place here is equal to sign. Now type here VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is an inbuilt function of all the Excel version. You select the lookup value. In this case, towel is the lookup value for which we want to look up the result. Now we will select the range or range of the entire table. The range of this table is B7 B7 to E17. Now apply there a comma. Quantity is reflected under the column number 2 of this table. So here we want to have the information regarding quantity. So we will place here 2 and we want to know exact range. So we will select exact range and we will close the parenthesis. Now press enter. So 130 is the available quantity of towels. In similar manner, we can have the information regarding the rate. So we will again we will write here the formula VLOOKUP. We want to look up the value for the towels. Again we will select the entire table, uh, table range and the rate is under the column number 3. So we will write here column number 3 and we will look for the exact match. Now we will close the parenthesis. So we have both quantity and rate available for the towel item towels. Similarly, by changing the name of item in the lookup value, we can change the desired result. Let's change it to the pen. So I have written here pen. Now I have the values corresponding to the pen. Friends, the obtained result in absence of formatting and grading, it is looking very ugly. Let's grade it, format it and align it. So now it is looking much better than earlier. Three things to keep in mind. Friends, VLOOKUP function is known case responsive. That means you can punch your query in uppercase as well as in lowercase. Here pen is written in the lowercase. Let's change it to the uppercase. So I have written here pen in uppercase. You can see here the result is identical. Number 2, VLOOKUP function. If VLOOKUP function cannot find a match case, then it will reflect or convey us a error message. Let's try for pin. Pin is not included in this table, so you can see here an error message. This kind of error message can be removed by application of if error. So before VLOOKUP, you write here if error, if error, if error, and at the end of this parenthesis, you write with the help of comma, you write here 0. So that means that in case of error, the VLOOKUP will return us 0. Number 3, if an item and VLOOKUP value columns appear more than once, that means in a repetition, VLOOKUP will retrieve only first match case result. I am changing here toothbrush to the pen. In table you can find repetition of pen in row number 8 and row number 14. Now let's find the lookup value pen. So you can find here quantity as 25 and rate as 45. Now distinctly you can see that it is retrieving the first case. So friends, be assured while applying the VLOOKUP, your data should be free from repetitions. In any kind of repetition, we can take another reference like as the account number, customer number, leaser number, or any other unique lookup reference. Suppose you are working in accounts team and equipped with pre-decided payment limits. These limits are shown in the table limit. Marketing team sent you some bills for payment. On the basis of prescribed limit, you can judge whether the bills are to be kept on hold or released for payment. In this case, you can apply VLOOKUP. So I will plot here defined limit for every salesman. So first I will write here VLOOKUP formula, VLOOKUP. Now we are looking up for Rohit. So I have selected here Rohit. Now I will select table range. So my table is ranging in between M26 to O33. Place here a comma. Our limit is in column number 3. So I will punch here 3. Press here a comma. Now select exact match case. So exact match case, it will retrieve us the limit set for Rohit. In similar manner, we can find the limit for remaining marketing persons. So now copy the formula to the entire row. You will find the prescribed limit. Now find out the differences, arithmetical differences of expenditure bills and set limit. The cases where the billed amount is higher, you can keep it on hold. Now copy this. So this is your limit. This is your remark. Now apply filter over this data. Sort out all the positive values. And send the selected bills for the further approval to the management. For illustration, we have taken very small data sample. VLOOKUP is applicable for all range of data. You can retrieve data from other workbook also, and you can apply VLOOKUP to the multiple workbook. I hope you managed to understand the concept of VLOOKUP. If you have any suggestions or query, please feel free to comment down in comment box. If you are satisfied with the content of this video, please like the video and subscribe our channel for more videos.